Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil light on 2016 Fiat 500x. Turn the key to accessory without starting the engine, press and hold the trip reset button, wait for the service menu to appear, select oil reset with short presses, confirm by holding the reset button until the indicator blinks, then turn the key off and restart to verify the light is cleared. Start with the key and accessory, so electronics power up but the engine stays off. Then use the trip reset button near the cluster to scroll to the service menu. When you see the oil service option, press and hold the reset button until the display changes or blinks. Finish by turning the ignition fully off and then restart to make sure the oil light has cleared from the dashboard and the system saved the reset. If the instrument cluster does not respond, try turning the ignition off for a minute, then repeat the process while pressing the trip button firmly. If the oil light returns right away, check the actual oil level and top up if necessary because resets do not mask low oil. Finally, if problems persist, a failed sensor or deeper fault may require a professional scan and repair to ensure your engine is protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.